Our strategy is to build the most attractive and progressive cars in every segment. And this was also our challenge on the urbansphere. I think the result is quite stunning now. It will be very exciting to see how this car is received from the public. We were able to create a quite sleek profile for this car, which is typical Audi. And then, of course, we did lots of elements which also are clearly Audi and which emphasize these proportions. For example, we have this aluminum bar, this aluminum application on top of the glass house, which runs into the spoiler. It makes the car even more sleek and visually lower than it physically is. We have huge wheels, 24-inch wheels, a long wheelbase, a short overhang on the front, a long one on the rear. And then, of course, some other details. For example, the color and trim. The first sketches already had this color and trim with this two-tone paint, and this was highly liked, and so we just put it into the show car. This was one design element. Another one was, for example, the front end. The customers asked for a face which is self-confident but non-aggressive. And I think we achieved it because the lights are quite high, the look is quite self-confident. Of course, we have our single frame in a new interpretation, so I think we did a face which perfectly fits to the requirements.
Let's have a look at the interior of the urbansphere.
Very special of the interior of the urbansphere concept is that we designed this car consequent from inside to outside. My highlight of the urbansphere concept is seating in the rear, the comfort and the flexibility. Special is in the rear seats because you have eye tracking modus where you can bring different programs on the functional screen on the rear of the seats.
Also comfortable is the concierge. The concierge is a very interesting element for the customer. You can adjust this and we integrate it into the system of Audi.
It was clearly designed for the Chinese market in a collaboration with potential customers. And this was a quite interesting process for us, something very new, and I think also the design now of the car is quite striking.